review video on a pair of headphones I got on Amazon for $20. So these are Bluetooth wireless headphones with some extra features that we're going to explore here and go over those with you guys and let you know the sound quality. And overall, are these $20 Bluetooth headphones worth it? Well, let's find out. This is Free Tech TV and I thank you guys for joining in. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. More videos like this coming every week to you guys. So looking at these Bluetooth headphones, you can see that they have a nice stylish look to them. Bright white with a gray band in silver designs. Now they have a nice padded cushion here that actually do feel pretty comfortable when you're wearing them. They're pretty light, so they're not real heavy. Now what's special about these headphones? So of course they're wireless, being that they're Bluetooth, and they have an auxiliary input. You have your USB 2.0 for charging. Now the battery life of these headphones is pretty good. It's not the best on the market, but for the price point, you're getting several hours out of it. Also, what's special about these headphones that make them unique, you have a micro SD card slot built right into the headphones. And then you have 3 buttons here. You have your power, you have your mode, and you have your scan. So your mode will allow you to switch from your aux input to the Bluetooth wireless to the micro SD card, the music that you would have stored on there. And then scan will allow you to scan the media that's on that card that you had put in the headphones here. So they look pretty nice, as you can see, and when you're wearing them, they definitely are really, really comfortable. Again, they are pretty light, so if you're exercising, if you're running, you're definitely not going to have any problems there. They do fit firmly, and with that padded cushion, they're certainly not going to go anywhere. So these are great headphones. So for $20, to me, they're certainly worth it. The sound quality is going to be about average. The bass is decent. It's not great. The mid and the treble are certainly going to be a little bit, higher compared to where the bass is. But overall, it equals out. On your phone, you can mess with the equalizer as well to get them to sound, as best as you can, given with these headphones, the range that they can do. So again, great headphones, $20, I would say yes, it is worth it. So again, to recap, what you're getting is auxiliary input, so you can plug these into any device that does not have Bluetooth, and they can connect to both Bluetooth devices, as well as put your own music on a micro SD card, pop it in here, and you don't even need to take your phone with you. So that's a pretty nice feature there. So great headphones for the money. So this has just been a quick look. These are the Bluetooth headphones by Bluedio. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And again, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next episode of Free Tech TV. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.